Get the bacon in the oven. Onto the eggies. Butter was in the freezer. I know sometimes if I leave my butter out too long, I put it in the freezer. Pans up too high. Get that butter off in there. Let me tell y'all about butter. There's almost not a single video on my YouTube channel that I don't use butter. I love butter. And you should too. Butter is not unhealthy. Now, if you sitting around eating sticks of butter, you know, that's unhealthy. But butter ain't the reason you fat. Butter is not the reason. You know, you go back to the 70s with Pam Grier and all those old, you know, come on now. The lady from 227, pardon myself, lady from 227, Jackie, fine. You look at Minnie Riperton, Stephanie Mills, and there's so many. You know, Patti LaBelle back in the day. Tina Turner, man, come on now. All those women, they were petite women. I'm pretty sure their butter was authentic. A lot of them ladies, you know, had granddaddies and stuff that raised them, they had the farm living. They had real butter. Butter is not the reason you fat. Oh, you using all that butter. Butter is it's unhealthy. There are other alternatives. Use olive oil or oil. Don't let these folk lie to you. Butter makes the dish creamy. It adds some flavor. It's something about butter. I use butter in my chili. I use butter in all of my soups. I use butter in just about anything. All of my dessert. Butter. Butter. B-U-T-T-A. The only way I don't use butter is if I don't have any. 9 times out of 10, you're not gonna catch me without butter. I was raised off of butter. You know how them ladies back in the day?
I never knew love like this before. Now I'm lonely evermore since you came into my life. You are my sunlight and my rain, and times could never change. But we care forevermore. 'Cause I never knew love like this before. You opened my eyes, never knew love like this before. What a surprise, I never.
Oh yeah, boy. Yeah, all that. All that. Y'all see how I scrambled that? Y'all see that? Oh yeah. Another thing I do for my eggs is I use milk. If I don't have milk, which I do, it's just a different kind of milk, soy milk. So if I ain't got regular milk, use darn skippy. Cream. Sour cream, cream cheese, don't matter. It's all the same. I'm unfiltered on Snapchat. I'm on unfiltered. This coming straight to YouTube, like very little editing. I might speed it up, you know. I might speed it up because I know I talk kind of slow. I know. Blame my granddaddy. I get it from my granddad. My granddad was like a Southern Presbyterian pastor back in the day. I have his diction and his delivery. He tends to stretch his words and all that good stuff, you know. So I get it honest. I think my dad does it too. But not to the extent that my granddad does it. So like it's an amalgamation of both men. But yeah, throw some cheese on it. While I wait on my bacon, I will go ahead and start on my oatmeal. So we wrapping it up. Yeah, I shop at Kroger. You got a problem with it? You like Publix? What do you like? Publix, Costco, Walmart. I used to work at Walmart. Don't miss it. Giant Eagle. Shout out to y'all northern folk. The big eagles and all the giant eagle, whatever it is up there. Got a little soy milk here. Alright. Don't talk bad about my pot either. This last pot I have right here. I packed all the good pots up. Yeah, I packed up all my good pots. My good pots, I packed them up. Yeah. Gotta get the piss po pot.